So a few of us from White Shades Media have decided to come out. Lovely sunny evening, so we thought we'll have an impromptu get together. Doesn't matter if you're using a camera or your phone. If it takes a picture, come and join us and get involved, and then come and meet the rest of us. And there's some expert photographers with some great knowledge. You'll definitely learn something. And also we chat about workshops we want to do. I'm going to get back to it. We're going to go have a bit of a wander up and down, probably on the beach as well. Such a nice day. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? So. Johnny's going to stand in the middle of the prom as a big group comes past.
Thanks, Johnny and Ant.
Cheers. Craig.
Yes.
Do you think it's helpful being in a group of like creative photographers? Do you feel like it helps you build your skills?
Yes, because you can give your own ideas, but you also get different ideas from other people, and you think, oh, I didn't think of that.
Yeah,
so I like stuff like that. So yeah, you can share the ideas I've got, but then you always learn from other people.
Yeah, I suppose that's the beauty of a group, isn't it? There's a few different angles of ideas, so yeah.
Like I've learned today how to do different things in Lightroom, in editing things to make it better on Instagram. Didn't know that before.
No, that's true, yeah.
That's great.
Cheers, Ben Lewis, for that.
Yeah, thanks, Ben.
Pleasure as always. See you later. Well, that was a fantastic outing, good crack, good bit of exercise, you know, it's all good for your well-being, being out in the fresh air, out in the sunshine, meeting new people and doing, you know, something creative, gets your brain thinking and your creative juices flowing. So if you want to get involved with White Shades Media, drop us a message, you know, follow the page and take it from there. Cheers, bye.